Let's learn some colors and shapes. Violet color, dark brown color, light brown color, sky blue color, dark blue color, pink color, red color, dark green color, grey color, light brown color, black color, yellow color, orange color. This is purple color. Let's draw the shape. Rectangle. Circle. Triangle. Star. Hexagon. Heart. Orange color. Rectangle. Rectangle. This shape is rectangle shape. Orange color. Olive green color. Circle. This is circle. Circle, olive green color. Grey color. Triangle. 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 Grey color. Pink color. Star. 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 Pink color. Light green color. Hexagon. Hexagon. Hexagon, light green color. Light yellow color. Heart. This shape is heart shape. Heart. Heart. light orange color, orange color, olive green color, grey color, pink color, light green color, light orange color, rectangle, circle, triangle, star, hexagon, heart. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.